I have somebody about to show up on a special aircraft, so stay tuned. Today I'm going out with my friend Matt and his son Murphy in his new Lake Aircraft 1976 Lake Amphibian Buccaneer Seaplane. It's an LA-4200 with a new Lycoming IO 390 engine, rated at 210 horsepower. It cruises around 105 to 110 knots. Its routes originate from other amphibious aircraft such as the Goose, the Widgeon, and Albatross. Lake Aircraft's factory was in Sanford, Maine, and it had sales offices in Laconia, New Hampshire, and in Florida. All right, so this is a lake.
1976
lake. Okay.
Lake. It's officially an LA-4200. It's got a brand new Lycoming IO 390.
Wow.
Which is rated at 210 horsepower, but at TBO. So right now it's probably doing more like 220 from what I'm told.
Okay.
So this is probably the most delicate part of the whole airplane.
Okay.
Is that little tiny hook right there engages there. So you gotta have the handle back, pull down, and then in, and then rotate it forward.
All right, you're good.
Looks like you got a good latch there. Get on the step, and we push. Catch a little porpoise. A little bouncy out here.
Yeah.
And then we accelerate. I'll moderate the power.
Beautiful.
Yeah, we can clean it up for now.
Okay. How many flaps do you put in?
It's up or down. Those are the only two options.
Okay. Been going out in it every day?
Pretty much, yeah. For one reason or another.
It's fairly quiet, you know, with the engine behind you, I guess.
Yeah.
Wow, interesting flying this slow.
We'll just drop down into Center Harbor Bay and then plan to land past the 1 Mile Island. So this is going to be a water landing. The gear is up, hydraulic pressure's up, water rudder's up. Flaps are coming down.
Okay.
We've got 2 mags, 2 pumps, 2 batteries. Bring the mixture back up and we'll leave the prop where it is. And you're shooting for 70. Plus or minus 10. I can show you later, but if you come off with the power, it really sinks. A lot of drag. We also double check the mirrors. Make sure the hydraulic pressure actually has. Here we are, back on the water.
Awesome, awesome.
So not that big house there, but the one right next to it is my mom's family's property.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
When Matt was a boy, his mom and dad got him for a birthday present a ride in a Lake aircraft. His parents' inspiration way back then led him to eventually becoming an airline pilot. But his love of GA flying and the indelible mark his first lake ride left on him made him go out and get one for himself. Now, like his parents, he's out flying his lake with his young son Murphy around the lakes region in New Hampshire on a daily basis.
How is it landing over at Windsock? Is it, some people have said, oh, it's kind of tough on land or grass strips because it's pretty low. But I saw your landing the other day and it looked very, very smooth.
Yeah, this plane is designed like to go up on beaches and stuff. There's YouTube videos and stuff I can't believe. All right, let's just do a little step taxi in that direction. We'll turn around, take off into the wind again. So I'll get this canopy latched up. And then once we're up on the step, we'll come back with the power. You want to do your step taxis around 40 water speed. You can't hurt yourself at 40. As far as a water loop. How you feeling, bud? Good. Laconia traffic, Lake Amphibian 12 Victor is over Lake Winnipesaukee, heading in for landing at Laconia. Laconia traffic, Lake Amphibian 12 Victor, during the left downwind for full stop runway 8, Laconia.
All right, gear down on the right.
As soon as I get a green light, we got the flaps down still from when we took off. Just leave it like that. We actually have to come in with some power.
I see, yeah. Like butter.
Yeah, starting to get the hang of it. On the brake, you're up.
Well, it's so much almost safer, I feel, on this, because if you lose the engine, you got a nice place to go down.
Yeah. I'm over at traffic, Lake Amphib 12 Victor, it's 500 feet over the lake. We'll be landing in the water near the Long Island Bridge. Mulmer traffic. So we're going to touch down right about in here. And nothing in our mirrors, clear.
Behind you on the 45.
We got 2 mags, 2 batteries, 2 pumps. Pressure's up, flaps are coming down.